guys, Jesse here from King Domes. Here just doing a quick video showing you guys what we mean by blocking in terms of anchoring our dome down to the ground. So we're on a deck here, nice beautiful Merbauer deck here in the Australian climate in northern New South Wales. And what we're basically doing is making sure that our dome is nice and secure on this deck. And so this is what we mean by blocking. Basically, you can see here you've got the screw points in here. These are obviously for your joists there. But as you can see, this plate here is smack bang in the middle of two joists. So all we're doing underneath the dome, underneath the deck, sorry, is running a blocking work between two joist points to ensure that this anchor point is nice and strong. Because we do not want to be bolting the dome straight to the decking boards themselves, because decking boards are not structural. So the joists there obviously connected to the bearers, which are then connected to the ground, nice and strong, nice and sturdy. So it doesn't matter how strong the wind coming underneath the deck is, it's not going to rip the entire dome off. So basically, yeah, what we're doing, lining up our anchor points as such. We've come in with, because this is hardwood, nice beautiful Merbauer decking. We've put the pre-drilled holes, as you can see in there. Then we come along with the bugle screws. So we've got 6 potential screw points. What we're doing just to secure it down, we're actually putting the bugle screws straight through the middle, and then we'll fill in the gaps with typical timber decking screws. I won't make the noise because it's very noisy and you understand what I'm talking about, as we can look in the other ones if necessary, but I think you guys get the point. Nice and easy. About to show you what we mean by the blocking. So as you can see here, this is what we call the blocking. Here you've got your joists all the way through. These cross members running through are your bearers. So basically, the anchor point that's on top of here does not line up. It's sitting in between the two joists, which is what we're referring to. It needs to be bolted to a structural part. This is where this comes into play. So as Simon's about to show you, that just there is where he's showing is where the anchor point is, as we've already pre-drilled the holes through the anchor points at the top. And so now it's just going to demonstrate what we mean by putting the blocking through. Nice and easy. Make sure it fits in between the two. Then you basically screw them to the joists. Here we're using Prida-based products, just because it's all Australian standards compliant. I like to be nice and safe basically here. And then on this side we're going to drive nice big long bugle screws through, just to anchor it all in. Nice and easy.